Hello, and welcome to our topic, which is the atomic structure brought to you by Sufi and Safoan Hussein. What is an atom? Atoms are the fundamental blocks of life. Atoms are very small elements that are made up of protons, neutrons, and electrons. They can be found everywhere in the universe. Everything is made up of atoms, including you and me. An atom is consisted of positive protons, neutral neutrons, and negative electrons. The protons and the neutrons are clustered together in the middle, forming nucleus, and the electrons circle around the nucleus in orbitals. Atoms can be found everywhere in the universe. They are the fundamental blocks of life. To give you guys a perspective of what atom is, think of a pencil. Think of the lead of a pencil. If we zoom in, we see that tiny particles are clustered together to form the lead. If we keep on zooming, we see very tiny particles, which are atoms.
In this video, we are going to explore what is an atom, protons, neutrons, electrons, nucleus, the attractive and repulsive forces and energy levels of an atom. Well then, let's get to it. This is a carbon atom. And there are, as I said previously, there are protons, neutrons in the center of the atom. This part of the atom we call the nucleus. The yellow ones are the protons, and the red ones are the neutrons. Think of the nucleus like kind of a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, like this, with the peanut butter being the protons and the jelly being the neutrons, and together they form the PB&J sandwich, henceforth the nucleus. The electrons over here for the carbon atom can be thought of flies, like over here. They are gathered around the PB&J sandwich. They are negatively charged. Maybe you heard from someone older that opposites attract, and in this case, that is true. The flies are attracted to the nucleus since they are negatively charged to the PB&J, which is positively charged. And the flies, they will try to reach the PB&J. This is the attraction or attractive force for the nucleus, between the nucleus and the electron. There exist energy levels in electrons. As you can see in the picture or the animation, that there are two outer rings. The closer the ring to the nucleus, the higher the energy levels, and the energy levels increase the farther away you get from the nucleus. The fly that picked up the scent faster, as shown in the PB&J analogy over here, the fly will be closest, while the fly that picked up the scent later will be the farthest. Since the closer fly could smell more, they would be more attracted to the PB&J sandwich or the nucleus than the flies that are farther away from the nucleus, or in this case the PB&J sandwich. Similarly, in the carbon atom, electrons have different energy levels, where the electrons that is closest to the nucleus will be attracted more than the energy levels which are farther away. Electrons have repulsion among them, as you can see over here. Think of them as flies having personal space between them, and they're always shared equally. And that is the end, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for watching, and have a good day, everyone.